Hi, it's Icon FX. Today is May 14, 2025. It has been about 72 hours since our last update. So today we want to continue our review and see what has happened in the last 3 days using these two EA, FRAC EA and Bolipsa EA. Now let's head back to the mobile version of our MT5 platform. So we want to go to the history and see how this EA had performed in the last 3 days. We've not reviewed this EA in the last 3 days, so we'll review the 3 days today. So today is May 14, 2025, and according to the time, as you can see the time here, it's 12:55. So there has not been any trade today. But let's try and check the last 3 days, one after the other. Let's check 14. Let's check 13. Today is 14, so let's check 13. That was yesterday. That's yesterday. 13. So yesterday we had a total profit of $39.43. Now let's look at each index and see the performance. Let's start with Boom 300 index. Boom 300 index has a total profit of $25.72, and there has been 13 trades in all yesterday. The EA made a total number of trades that is 13, and all the 13 trades are profitable. It seems the EA is doing very well on Boom 300 index. Even when it made a loss, it always recover the loss, and it's always in profit. It's always in profit. So let's check the second one. Flash 75 yesterday run on a loss of minus $1.54. And Boom 900 yesterday made a profit of $2.56. A total of 5 trades with one losing trade. So let's check the last one, Crash 600. Crash 600 index did well yesterday with a total profit of $12.69. This index has not been doing well since we started this review. The performance has been poor. Even when it's made a profit, it's not certain the profit will be consistent, because it could make a losing trade that will wipe out all the profit, unlike Boom 300 index that most of the times will recover the loss. Now let's move a day backward. Now let's check May 12, that was the day before yesterday, and let's see what happened 2 days ago. Crash 600 made a loss of $3.16 with a total of 5 trades and one losing trade. Now let's check Boom 900. Boom 900 too run in a loss of minus $10.95. And Volatility 75, it ran on a loss too. Then Boom 300, we have a losing day too on Boom 300 index. Only one trade, and the one trade was a losing trade. But the following day, as you can see, it's recovered the loss and even giving us a profit. Now let's move a day backward again. That's the last 3 days. 3 days ago, which was May 11, and see what happened on May 11. So on May 11, 3 days ago, Boom 300 index made a total profit of $6.39. What about Boom 900? It ran on a loss of minus $4. And Flash 75 too made a loss of minus $2. Boom 300, okay, we have checked it. Crash 600 on a loss, and Boom 600. This is the first time we have a trade on Boom 600, and this is Bolipsa EA. So this is our first trade on Bolipsa EA. Remember, we are running Bolipsa on Boom 600 and Boom 500 index, and his first trade happened to be a losing trade, minus 9 cents. So far so good. It seems Boom 300 has been doing well. Boom 300 index. Let's check last week trading. That is since we started this review. Let's check the profits across the index. From 900, it was a loss so far. Flat is the 75 index too, running on loss so far. Boom 300 on a profit of $25 since we started this review. That's impressive. Then Crash 600, I'm not surprised. Crash 600 has not been doing well. Then Boom 600, this is the first trade we had so far on Boom 600. So Boom 300 has been doing well. So we want to see what will eventually happen across all this index. So that's our review for today. For the last 3 days that we've not reviewed the EAs, and we're able to review the 3 days performance today. We've seen which among this index has the potential of making us consistent profits. We'll still keep on reviewing for as long as we are satisfied with the performance. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.